I don't know if it's just me, but every single summer I suddenly just feel the urge to switch up my hair, be outdoors more, and pretend I have my life completely together. But anyway, which way, guys, the sun is shining, the birds are chirping, I am outdoors as always, outside like I'm in Wonder Place. And I figured this would be the perfect time to do my hair and do another little chit chat with you guys. I am going to a little party tonight, and I decided that I am not going to the hairdresser. I am going to get into my DIY self and do me a little ponytail, a little updo, a little something. Now I'm gonna know how long that ponytail is gonna last me, because it's been a hot minute since I've done this type of thing by myself. Now me's a girl, I'm always prepared, so I did have some. I have the Dominican one. This is kind of like mixed fiber hair, and it's in 30 inches. I wear this before. Usually I wear this, by the way, but usually in the body wave. I think it's the first I'm going to be doing the straight hair, and this is going to be a challenge for me. So I have 2 packs. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to need the 2 packs, but I have them just in case. Now I have a little dilemma. I don't have any braid, but being the type of person that I am, you know, me I gotta think about something. Yeah, me I gotta always try to find a solution. I'm not gonna complain. So what I actually did was cut some wefts, cut some hair, some extension off some bundles that I have, and I'm going to see if that can work for make the ponytail. Anyway, we're gonna ride on because we're not gonna try to make the video too long. Before I get into the ketchup and the draw up, I'm going to be using my Miel Rosemary Mint scalp and straightening hair oil. I'm not gonna be keeping in this ponytail for very long, guys, but just want to go 2-day or 3-day hairstyle, my dear, my love, because you know I'll be doing it with my natural hair. And I like we are putting a lace in it or at the front or anything. So you know, I got to pull up for last any longer than 1, 2, 3 days. I'm alright with that, because I like when my hair is out. If when I hear some noise in the background, that's the neighbors. And I probably will have to be cutting out the video as we go along, just to avoid the copyright. If y'all have not watched my sit down skincare summer makeup look vlog, that would be the vlog posted before this one. Go ahead and watch that sit down, guys, to just get a little bit more update on what has been going on with me. I'm already telling you in another vlog this summer relax my hair, which I do 1 time a year. I feel like though, because me I plan to be a little bit more experimental with my hair, I might end up relaxing my hair 2 times this year instead of 1, but make we see. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to pull it to the back or if I wanted to do it as an updo, but I'm gonna do it as an updo for the mere fact say, you know, I always do my pull-ups or my ponytails back way most of the time. So for a change and just for a different look, I'm going to be doing it up. Now enough people in time them I do this, you know, them like fi part them here in a 2 and 3 and 4. I'm not telling you like this is not a tutorial. So if you don't come here to learn how to do a ponytail, take my foolish advice and exit this video, because that is not what this is. But just make content, so I'm gonna be doing the hair while I talk to you guys. Yeah, that's what that is. Also, guys, I'm gonna get some new hair care stuff, but I'm not gonna use them in another video here. I'm gonna be doing another hair care journey update video, official hair care journey updated video with you guys, so we're not gonna get to see that. But for now, I'm just using things that I've introduced to you already. This is a moisturizing hair lotion. I actually have a next moisturizing hair lotion I'm more intro to now, but not another video here. Now guys, if there's one thing about me, is that me I gotta always convince myself say a new hairstyle I gotta solve at least 3 of my problem them. So yeah, that's the vibe I am in right now, and today is just one of those slow days. I'm not really rushing. I'm trying to make sure I get myself prepared ahead of time, so that when later come and after I pre for do this, you know. Yeah, it's definitely one of those slow days, and I thought let's just do the hair together and catch up. And then lately, guys, I've just been realizing that some of the things that will make me happy are the simplest things them, and that's why I've just been enjoying slower days so much, you know. Yeah, man, sometimes we just have to slow down and enjoy some little simple things, some little simple living. You can't just get up every day and just want fussy about everything and stress about everything. Sometimes I have to just go and enjoy the slow days them. I try to make sure someone get this together, you know, because you know when the gel go on this, you know, guys, if it's not so straight, you know, it's just bubble up and I eat that. It's gonna make me have to pull out back the ear again. Anyways, I'm not hold on a little bit there. Now guys, on the mind see me I look down in the video, and that's because I have like a glass like that is right in between my legs outside, so I might be looking down while I talk to you guys, but I don't know if anybody else feel that way. Yeah, but I feel like every season have like a personality. because summer is officially arriving, and honestly I already know I'm going to be living at the beach and the river. You're not for ask, you're not for ask, especially guys, because the heat lately has just been outrageous. Them claim to say we are going to have a El Nino summer, and as I'm telling you, all that screams to me is hot, hot. I'm feeling hot, hot, hot. I'm feeling hot. That's all me hear when I hear about El Nino. One thing about summer for me that I actually enjoy is the fruits. It is a summer is a festive season when it comes on to fruits, guys. I love that you can eat all the mangoes where you want. You can eat all the, you know, certain fruits like cherries, June plum, jimbeline. Well, at least for me, because I'm in the countryside, so I've just been enjoying a lot of those things ever since, you know, the season has been changing into the summer session, and I am just all about that, and I am just happy for it. That especially the mango them. I don't know who else has been having fun eating mangoes this season, especially the East Indian mango them. By the way, if you don't watch my mango vlog, go ahead and check that out. I took you guys to the mango farm and I spoke to you guys a little bit about mango and its history and all of that. Very exciting vlog, so if you're not gonna check it out, definitely go and check it out. But definitely want to do some more traveling for the summer, and that's also inclusive. Oh my god, the band first. There's a few places that I have been longing to go. Some of my favorite places, some of my favorite parishes, especially like Portland, for example. Yeah, I really want to go to Portland. I don't know, I think I need to just like plan an itinerary for Portland and go there for maybe like a day or two and just, yeah, just get some excitement going. I don't know, but I definitely need to do that. Jesus, I don't think this is gonna work out. Guys, I'm kind of did have to focus a little bit off camera with catching up the hair, because the band they just keep on a break, and I don't want to focus on going bad, you know. So I'm gonna just look off the camera a little bit for just do it off camera. Yeah, that's the disadvantage of doing things outdoors. It kind of just, some things just get really annoying. But anyway, we're not gonna make that break my vibe. I need to go to some of the places that I have been longing to go to. Well, not really longing, but places that I haven't been in a while. Yeah, I need to visit some more nice beach and river and carrying along with me, amongst other things. You know, I realized this, guys, you know, so some of the things them, right? Some of the things them will make me feel like the richest person on earth not really cost nothing, you know, or them cost almost nothing at all. And I guess maybe because I'm in the countryside I can't say that, because when I'm in Kingston I could have never said that. The things then will make me feel the richest in Kingston definitely cost me a lot, like, you know, going to the river or going to the beaches. We barely have none of that. We don't have any beaches in Kingston, first of all, and we don't have any rivers. So if you are going to go to the beach, you definitely have to travel outside of Kingston, and traveling outside of Kingston is going to cost you. I don't mind when I want to have fun, but when you're in the countryside, it's more likely that you can find a river that is very close to where you are, not too far out a distance. In some rural areas, the river them there in your backyard, or you can just walk down the stretch or walk down the street and you reach a one beach. In the countryside, these things that feel rich to me, it just feel like it costs me nothing, because if I look to the left there is a beach, and if I look to the right there is a river, and I definitely enjoy that. The thing about it is though, when I'm there at Kingston, I always say, boy, if me live somewhere where one beach or one river there down the road, every minute me go there, me go live on the beachfront, me go live down on the river. But I find that I am also in the countryside, and I am very close to a lot of beaches and rivers, and I do not find myself at the beaches and the rivers as much as I profess that I would when I'm in Kingston. You see, the thing is, and that goes for sure in our life, we always want things, and I always say if we want things, how much it gonna make our life easier and nicer, and everything I will just see more balance. And then a lot of the times the things that we wish for, we get it, and when we get it, we still treat it like it's nothing. Not saying that I am treating this like it's nothing, you know, but when me there at Kingston, I always a ball, and I said, boy, I wish me did have one river run through my backyard. Now I'm very close to the river, and I'm very close to the beaches, and I don't go as often as I used to profess that I would. But maybe because of the season of my life when I did, you know. But definitely because of El Nino and because summer is approaching, y'all will be seeing me at the beaches and the rivers a lot. Look out for it. I don't know about Uno, but just let me know some of the things that make you feel like the richest person in the world. Is it only me? When my room clean, like a clean room, a clean house, like ain't not like when you get up in the morning and you spread up your bed and you wipe your floor and you dust on your place and everything just smell nice and fresh, airy and breezy. Oh my god, when you clean up your space and it just clean, yeah, and just smell good and just look good and everything in order and everything organized, that just make you feel like a bad bitch. That just make you feel so put together, that just make you feel so structured. I love that. I definitely love that. I'm going to make this dry. I'm not going to rush it yet, but I'm going to definitely use the extension. I'm telling you, I'm going to cut the extension, right? And I'm going to use it to plait into my hair. I'm not going to do that on camera for the mere fact that I know if it's going to give me struggles. I'm going to really want to have a chop, no bad word over here. I'm going to really want to have a cuss Jamaica's most popular bad word over here, so I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'm gonna come back soon, alright, while this little shenanigan go on dry. And I'm not gonna use a blow dryer, seeing that I'm outdoor, but just gonna sit down a little bit and just make the hair just go and dry naturally. So alright, so guys, I'm gonna say, oh, I know outfit, take my hand and turn fashion. I have no braid, you know. I'm telling us I'm gonna cut off the little weft, the little ear off of the weft, and I'm gonna make my little extension. And next little DIY, but I don't have the wrap that day. I had it over here. I don't know why I never picked it up over the other day. Because I never really planned this, you know. This was just a spontaneous thing. So you know what I'm gonna do, because I have to protect the little ear where I grow and little ear where I try to say, yeah, I'm gonna use tissue. I never seen nobody do this before. I don't know how it's gonna work, I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm rather something that I protect my ear than nothing at all. So I'm going to, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna double up the tissue. The only thing about this is that it's white. I don't really know if it's gonna print out in the ear. I hope not. I hope not. At least up at the part right here, so where I know for sure on my ear. Yeah, I gonna cover it. I was talking about things that make me feel rich. Good food. I love food. I mean, I don't know about nobody, but me, I love to eat a good plate of food. Y'all realize that I'm always cooking. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I am not somebody that believe in cooking every day. I don't think that can ever be me, no matter how much I like to cook. And the reason why I mean all that, when I'm in Kingston, I cook sometimes, but I'm not gonna lie, I feel like when I'm in Kingston, I order out more than I cook. Yeah, I don't know if I, because me and Seven Crave, we go good together. And sometimes if I feel like I am not in the mood to cook anything, I am going to pick up that phone, go on the Seven Crave app and go through the selections and see what I want, and I'm going to get what I want to eat. So as a result of that, I might cook maybe 3 days out of the week. The rest of the days I'm eating light, or I am doing the whole ordering or order out thing. What I notice being in the country, I eat a lot more, and the foods that I'm eating, I like to consider them rich food. Guys, it's not good enough, but I'm not paying no mind. The only reason why I'm trying to put it on, as I say, I try to protect my hair, isn't me? Yeah, I don't really want too much glue on my hair, and this is what I used also to, I don't know, the pattern when me dip on of lately. But if y'all are just discovering me, this is my go-to gel. This is the gel that I use to hold my hair. Highly recommended. Yeah, now back to the reasoning. What I consider rich foods are foods that are actually good for you, like the yam. Well, I don't really eat too much yam, but yeah, sometimes I do, especially when I drink soup. Pumpkins, oh my god, I am in love with pumpkin. I love pumpkin, especially when you catch a sweet piece of pumpkin. My god, I love me a nice orange, bright, sweet pumpkin. This is the hair. This is what one pack look like. Let's see how long it is. 30 inches of bust down. I think I'm probably gonna use 2 because it look thin, but if I don't use 2, I'll probably end up using 1.5. Yeah guys, so for me, like the banana, the green banana, the plantains, the yams, the pumpkins, the sweet potato, I don't really love Irish potato like that. I'll eat it like if it's in a soup. I think I like a lot of things mostly in soups, like chocho. Give me that when I eat soup. I love breadfruit, but if you give me boiled breadfruit, I don't really love it so much. But if you give me fry breadfruit or even the breadfruit hot off the fire, the wood fire, I will eat it just like that. But when you give me the boiled breadfruit, me I notice say that is something when me not like. Yeah, but these are definitely things that make me feel rich. Give me a good plate of ackee and saltfish and boiled food. Give me a good plate of hot steamed on cabbage or callaloo with boiled food with me. Give me a cup of beetroot and carrot juice. Yeah, give me a cup of soursop juice. Give me a cup of mango juice. I've been drinking a lot of mango juice lately. I'm telling you, guys, I see a lot of people doing the turmeric shots, guys. Them blend up them ginger and them mango or them fruits and whatever. Guys, you don't have to do that, you know. As I'm telling you, all you need to do, cut out the whole processed foods and just blend juice overall. Just blend, buy the fruits, buy the mango them, buy the apple them, buy the soursop, buy the things them, and just blend juice and put it on the jug and put it on the fridge and just drink it normal. You don't have to kill up on yourself every minute about turmeric shot. It is the same thing, guys. Once you are feeding your gut properly, then trust me, that will work on your internals and it will begin to show positive results on your external. And just drink some good juice and done. Cut out the whole soda drinking, drink more water, and these are definitely the things that will help your skin to start flourishing. But really, I don't feel like I battle with my skin as much in the countryside as I do in Kingston because I eat better foods here, and I can definitely tell that me eating richer foods has definitely been aiding in the glow of my skin. So I know this probably look weird. I'm now gonna carry down the tissue all the way to the end because honestly my ear not so long and the only thing I'm trying to protect is my hair. So what we're gonna do now, guys, we're gonna start to wrap the ponytail from the end, from down here. So we'll start wrap it from down here. So yeah, wrap it on and thing until we reach at the end. But I'm gonna just go and talk to you a little bit while I do that. Before I get back into the talking, I'm gonna just focus a little bit and start wrap it at least halfway up, and then I come back to you now. Guys, I'm not telling you lie now. Me nobody come back after me start winding a while ago, you know, because they tell you to get almighty truth. So oh me and wine around this ear like a ilangoli. I run a ball. I never want to show all of that. Maybe I should, so I could laugh after me because I know I don't laugh after people, but this is where we're at right now. This is one pack. This is one pack and this is what it's looking like. So I have a next pack, and based on the amount when I use a while ago for reach up here, so I don't really feel like I'm gonna need another full pack. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use probably half pack of this and then save the next pack. But I like it. It's looking good so far. And then, you know, after I drop that in, I just gotta do some little edges. The type of edges what I did want to do, I should have leave out some more here at the front, but I'm gonna see if I can still, I'm gonna see what I can do. I'm gonna see what I can do in regards to the edges. Good food is also something where make me feel rich. I don't know about, make me know some of the things them, like some things that you love or some things that you have that make you just feel super rich and nothing crazy. You know, and I don't know enough people that kill up themselves, but you just know say, yo, once you have it, I don't know if people are gonna say money. Yeah, I don't know if people are gonna say money, but outside of money, like what are some of the things that just make you feel rich? Even hair, like a new hairstyle makes me feel rich. When my hair freshly done, yeah, or my hair is freshly washed, it make me feel rich and bougie. I'm not telling no lie. Another thing that makes me feel super rich is when my bills are paid and I'm having a productive day. But now I gotta tell a lie. When you pay all your bills, them guys, if you pay all of them and you're broke, when you know say boy, you just pay the light bill, you can cock up under your fan or under your AC and the breeze are blow cool. You just pay your water bill, you know if you're worse, water commissioner come lock off your water. You know if you catch no water in a pan for flush your toilet or a whole pot jump because water run through your pipe straight. Yeah, them kind of things there make me feel rich when me independent and can pay my bills. I don't know about nobody else. What about you? What about you? What are some of the things that makes you feel rich? These are just some of the things for me. Just some. And of course money, you know. money make you do crazy things. Money make you wanna love the king. Money buy you all diamond ring. It's a girl's best friend, make you do anything. When I tell a line, guys, the ponytail go on. Me I go add like a little piece more just to give just a little bit more volume, and I made that. Anyway, let's talk about some things that being in the countryside has taught me. I'm not gonna live in a, but if I be real with myself, guys, I do not live in the countryside, at least not right now. Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you some of the things that living in the countryside has taught me. One, when you're there country, everybody know everybody. It's like country definitely sings community. Yeah, the people them know them one another. I care how far up the hill Mr. Joe live from, Mr. Bingy, from Mr. Dreadlocks, from Mr. Rastaman, from Mr. Ting Ting. Everybody knows everybody. That is why country have some of the biggest night them. You ever realize oh country night when if somebody pass away, how much people come out? Yeah, the whole of the people them are gonna come out and them are gonna be a part of that moment because everybody basically know everybody a country my dear. Yeah, and for your band, Mass Joe and Miss and Massa Joe, everybody will live in the area I gonna know you. Yeah, them are gonna know say yeah Miss Chin Pit there, Mr. Vibes son or Miss Grange daughter, all of that. So that's one thing I've realized. And I like town where if you live in a one community or if you live in a one complex or you know people stay to themselves and people not chat to people and all kind of things. My dear, not a country, my love. When they're a country, everybody knows everybody, and that's one of the things that country has definitely taught me. And I don't know if it's because everybody know everybody, but this is another thing. When they're a country, news travel faster than Wi-Fi. But now I tell no lie. Yeah, as something drop, as a bomb drop, everybody know about it. And most of the times it's just word of mouth. As must say again, I don't know if because everybody know everybody, but yeah, news travel faster than Wi-Fi a country. As something happen, everybody is going to know. I don't really know if because in the rural area them not really have as much entertainment as Kingston. Maybe for them entertainment is people's business, but news travel faster than Wi-Fi. So guys, may I start with the second pack, and as I say, I don't know if I have this thing, but I just cut off piece of it and I'm gonna use this up at the top. I don't really too want it too bulky either. So yeah, I'm gonna really do it for it last too long, because as I say, I don't really want it in my ear for too long. Another thing that being in the countryside has taught me is just also to appreciate sympathy. I mostly hang out in the back, but just like chilling in your yard, you just because there's always a lot of breeze. At least where I am at, there's a lot of winds, there's a lot of hill scenery, it's mostly quieter in the countryside, so you get the opportunity to hear the birds sing throughout the daytime, and I don't know, it gives you time to reflect a lot more and just makes you appreciate the simpler things, the smaller things in life. Just being able to wake up, being able to breathe, being able to appreciate fruits. Guys, hear me talk about fruits a lot, because like I have just had the luxury of just eating as much fruits as I want to, and I just think to myself, when my day at home, like I mean, you have to go into the supermarket, go buy the fruits them, and they're so expensive. I don't really know why. At least I know why, but damn, fruits really expensive at home. And when you're there country, you can eat as much fruits as you want. Everybody have some kind of fruit tree where you can eat off of, and that's just a blessing to me. Like I never know I would appreciate fruits so much, and to the point where honestly when I go back to town, it just gonna make me feel like just buy it regardless of what it costs, because I feel like I can go back to a life of just not eating an abundance of fruits. I forget just when we're country, I forget just always make sure so when I go to town I bring up like a lot of fruits, because trust me, country really does allow me to appreciate simpler things, just slow mornings. There's like a lot of slower mornings in the countryside, and I just appreciate it. I appreciate just waking up and not fussing up myself to do anything really, just enjoying the day as it is, roasting breadfruit, washing outdoors. These are some of the things that I've been doing. I'm not gonna tell another lie. I'm not gonna come over here and make it look like say, oh, me love wash outside with my hand. No, I did a video washing outdoors. I'm just really do the video for sure to say, yo, sometimes I'm a normal girl and I enjoy doing simple things like this. And every time I wash my clothes me throw my clothes in a machine, guys. Sometimes me just draw for 2 pan and wash my clothes with my hand, because honestly a lot of the times when you wash your clothes with your hand, I find that it tends to wash your clothes better. When you wash your clothes with your hand, sometimes your clothes wash better when you rinse them out. You just pin them on the line in the hot sun with some nice cool breeze that blow down in the evening time. Me like that for my clothes then. Sometimes when you put the clothes in the machine, them just fuzzy and wuzzy and them just not wash good. Sometimes you have to wash them 2-3 times and then your clothes just look like it worn out. Me not love it. But yeah, I struggle with this, you know, guys. So here, I'm gonna struggle with it and come back again. Anyway, I believe that what I have so far is good enough. So as I say, I gonna use 1.5. I'm gonna use everything. I made that, boy. I made that. So tonight, I go enjoy my little self. And it's been a while since I have been out in. Hold on, guys. I feel like I'm gonna say. It's been a while since I have been outside. I've been outside, you know, but not on this magnitude. Like me, I go out tonight. I think from my friends who are here, that was the last like hoorah, like outside activities that I did. I've been outside, as I say, but just calm sea stuff. Nature is basically like a part of my day now, guys. Like just being outside, the birds, the bees, the trees, the birds, the bees, the trees. Yeah, all of that is technically a part of my day, you know. And also, as I've gotten older, or I think as I continue to get older, there are some things I care way less about now. For example, people. Like, I don't give two fucks about people, their opinions of me, what they think about me. I don't give a damn. You know why, boo? You damn if you do it, damn if you don't. Like, it really doesn't matter. And especially if people make up their minds that them don't like you, and if people make up their minds that them are gonna try for always bring you down. Like, I'm just way too old to keep up or to follow up or to even care. Some of the times I hear things and it's like I really just don't care anymore. I hear but I not care. I'm not paying attention to it, because you know, as you get older, you kind of understand life to a certain level too, and you know, say, yo, certain things are just distraction. When you're on your journey to greatness, certain things are absolute distraction. Certain things are absolute distraction, and the more you know that, yeah, the more you just stop paying attention to the bullshit and just get on with your life. And I'm also definitely not in the business of impressing people. I've never been somebody that cared to impress people. When I know somebody do nothing at all, but do it because me want to do it. Like, ever since I've been a kid, I've been a leader. I've never been a follower. So not what I do, and because nobody else do it, or because nobody forced me to do it, or nobody tell me to do it. My march to the beat of my own drum. Don't get me wrong, I listen. I'll take advice if I feel like your advice is, if it makes sense to me, you see me. But yeah, and anybody can tell me what to do. Yeah, because some people just like to talk, and them talk because them can talk. Yeah, and everybody may listen to. I'm not doing anything at all in my life to impress people. Nothing at all. Everything I'm doing is things that I love and things that I am doing because me want to do it. I'm not try to keep up with no trend. Everything that I'm doing is coming from me, my own authenticity. I try to get that part so I can wrap it up and seal up the little rare right so now you know. Yeah, not try to keep up with no trends. And also, I'm not trying to be everywhere. I am not trying to be everywhere. I'm gonna know that's why some of my friends are not really into me that much anymore, and I really don't care, because some people just want to be everywhere and I don't want to be everywhere, and I'm not going to be everywhere. I've never been the type to want to be everywhere anyway, and I'm not gonna start no time soon for sure. So yeah, I'll go outside, or I'll go to places that I feel comfortable, or I'll go to places that I feel like I want to be at. I'm not going to be everywhere at all. And another thing that I am not too stressing myself about much anymore either is thinking that I have to have everything figured out and having time frames on when I need to get things done. Listen to me, everything takes time sometimes, and life is so unpredictable, and we never know when certain things is going to happen or why. So the only thing me can do right now, I set my goals them and get up every day and make a consistent effort to work towards getting my goals accomplished. I'm not gonna stress out myself for sure. I'm not gonna make nobody bully me and rush me into feeling like I need to be further ahead than I am. I am where I need to be. I mean, can say that because I am somebody, I am a go-getter. I've been a go-getter since I am basically 11 years old. Yeah, like I don't know if I told you guys the story about me and my whole journey of going to school. Like when my mother and my granny never have no lunch money for give me, I would have put my school uniform on and go down on my mother yard from my granny yard and go to all of my uncle them and beg big money. If I have a $10 I get, I take it, I'm gonna put everything together, I'm gonna take my little bus to school and I do my little thing at school. And if me have a dead for hungry for the day, I'm a dead for hungry. But it's one thing I know, at the end of my school term, I came out very victorious. Yeah, most academic girl in the school. I got a big trophy to show for that when I was going to primary school. So I've been very resilient since I was a kid. You know, I'm in a tech program. I'm gonna take praise my join my own concept, and I've been through a lot of things. I've accomplished a lot of things. I've had a lot of disappointments as well. I'm gonna say life is something where you never ever are gonna figure it out. Some days are just better than some, period. All right, so some of my predictions for summer: food is going to be a little bit expensive. I feel like everything is going to be expensive this summer, but my advice to you guys is really to don't try to overspend. You know, only try for saving the money and prepare for days that we do not know may encounter us at any time. Yeah, only don't try to overspend, but also try to find a balance. Go outside and enjoy yourself. Don't stuck up in your house and worry about everything and I feel like say because you not have this and because you not have that, you can't enjoy yourself. At least once in a while, go out and do something. Get some fresh breeze. Find some affordable ways to enjoy yourself. If it means say you go to the beach, if it means say you go to the river, you know, if you have a one friend where you go to party, you can jump on them once in a while. Just do it, enjoy yourself, breeze out your mind, because stress kill people more than anything nowadays. And when you lock up in our house and not worry about if you not have this and if you not have that, and because you not have this and because you not have that, I wanna get up every day, I wanna depend on the phone, I wanna depend on social media, I wanna make social media show the things them I wanna feel bad about, when I feel sorry for myself because true no have what this a person have and that the person they have. Listen, wanna stop it. You understand? Living a life, living the truth, be free, and on mind free, and everything will be free and will be alright. Here, less stress. Remember, stress are KILL people. Be very mindful of that. Anyway, I'm done with this now, and yeah, I'm gonna do my little edges and come back and show you what I go on. Yeah, I have more stuff I want to tell you, guys, but as I'm telling you before, means somebody when I like talk my plans them before them come to fruition. So when I have to just go and ride the journey with me and see things as it unfolds. Okay, just to go back on a few things that I was talking about the other day. Only people ask me why am I still in another country if my mix Kingston. People was asking me on live the other day, how do I stay motivated? How I stay motivated, honestly, life keeps me motivated. My goals keep me motivated. My daughter keeps me motivated. Yeah, just I appreciate life so much, and I appreciate the fact that I am able to wake up every day, smell the fresh air, open my two eyes them where God bless me with, and use my nostril them to smell all of the good things them, good cologne, good food, good this, good that, and the bad things them. So but I feel like I have so much appreciation for life that in itself is a motivation for me. Every day that I wake up, I get up with the thought process that I am going to, you know, push myself to be the best version of me that I can possibly be. Each and every day I am trying to be the best version of me. I am trying to become a better person. I am trying to achieve all the goals that I have set out for myself. I'm not telling you something. So life feels empty when you don't have goals. You have to set goals. There has to be something that you want out of life more than anything else. Even if it is money, there has to be you must have some idea of how you plan to generate that money, because money don't just fall from the sky. So how I stay motivated, just waking up every day and being able to breathe and being alive is a motivation in itself for me, period. And my daughter too, one of the biggest motivations ever, because I definitely have a mindset that I need to always set example for her, and I need to show her how much of a go-getter I am, so she can just follow in that footstep there, never doubt herself, always understand that sometimes disappointments are for better appointments, and and disappointments happen for a reason. Sometimes when you get this, when something don't work out for you, it's because it shouldn't work out for you. Sometimes your life just gets saved and you don't even know, and sometimes that was just never the journey that Father God wants you on anyway, so it just not gonna work out. So just knowing these things keeps me balanced, keeps me grounded, keeps me humble, and just keeps me going without the stress and the risk and the things them. Somebody had also asked me, how do I find new vlog ideas? And this is somebody that is interested in vlogging.
Hey, how's it going? I'm looking forward to working together.
How I continue to come up with vlog ideas. Honestly, I just life overall for me, you know, I just life, like I'll look at any little thing and consider it content. If me get up, I'm gonna say I have some fish in the fridge and I go cook it, I'm just like, all right then, All right, then this look like something we can vlog. You understand? If I'm going to the beach, it's something that I can vlog. If I'm having a slow day, you know, like the other day, I literally didn't really have much things to do. I'ma say, you know, I wake up with it in the morning and I never want to put my clothes in the machine, and I say, you know what, I go wash outside, you know. Yeah, I go get to a pan and got a pipe and wash my clothes them. And I just thought that that would be a great idea for a vlog, because there are a lot of people out there that love simple living content. You'd be surprised to know how much people out there love simple living content. And so I took up myself and I took up my bath pan and I went outside and I just washed. I mean, I said there are also people that will think, people when I really understand, I go say, come here, people say it to you, people say, why she gone a country, why she gone this? So like you, them never believe so me would I do this and me would I do that. Listen, nobody knows what I will do. I'm a very spontaneous person. You understand? Me will do anything at any time when my mind tell me. Me will live in a one big mansion house and get up out of the mansion house and go live in a one cabin for a week or a year. Because I just me that. And sometimes, as I say, I enjoy simple living. I feel like I kind of want to use the flat iron and curl it round. But you know what? Seeing as though I come this far, I'm never leave out the ear as how I did supposed to do it. I'm not going to kill up myself with that. I'm just going to do it that way I do it already. Yeah, so that's how I create content. Anything at all. Anything at all, guys. My day so right now, I know me is not a bad hairdresser, but I buy 1-2 pack of hair and I say I'm going to give myself a ponytail. And I'm like, instead of spending that entire hour struggling to do the ponytail, why not carry my struggles to YouTube? Matters not what people want to think or not. I was already aware that I did not have the wrap. I'm gonna tell myself I'm gonna use the tissue. I'm gonna tell myself say I'm not certain whatever I'm not have, I'm still I go improvise and do it on the camera same way, because I try for sure and say nothing not gonna bother me, nothing not gonna stop my flow, nothing not gonna stop my content. I go out tonight. I'm definitely not going to wait until next day for do the ear. I have to do the ear tonight. I have to make it work. And yeah, whether I have to wrap the tissue at the top and the things them, that me I go do. That me I go do, and I go see me do it. So if you don't want to follow me one day when I don't have no wrap, you just follow and see if it work for you. Alright, but I know for sure nothing not gonna stop me, period. Alright, so we are come down there now. It's looking cute. I think it's cute. Anyway, let me know if you guys have been loving my outdoor content. Let me know if you guys want to see more hair sessions. You know, I'm actually on a hair growth journey right now, so if y'all want to and I'm investing in a lot of new hair products and things, so if y'all want me to continue giving you the updates on like the new products that I'm using in my hair and stuff, if y'all want to see me continue to do a little bit of, you know, makeup content here and there, and like continue to introduce you to the things that I am enjoying for my hair and my skin and all of that, just let me know, you know, because I'm telling already, I am feeling my feminine self coming through all the way again, and I'm just happy about that. So I just want to understand, my vlogs are not just about cooking and roasting breadfruit. I am a girly girl in every sense of the word, in every sense of the way. Remember say Kingston I come from, you know, I'm just the out here in the outdoors in the countryside. I learned some new things. I'm just share my experience with you know. But yeah, definitely the ear and the glam and the fit is definitely me, nothing new. So I'm trying to incorporate it in my content as well, because that is also a part of my personality and things that I like. So if y'all met me from roasting bread, if you not meet me, or if you not find my content from roasting breadfruit or you know anything like that, just know that your girl is definitely a girly girl too, and y'all will be getting care contents like these. Alright, see you now, guys. Mama back up a little bit so I can see what I go on. I think she's cute. I think I'm feeling it, you know. See, simple and effective. I never got you just I go burn up no $15,000 for my little ponytail. You do I never have my wrap. Yeah, my angle that with some toilet tissue, and the ears still come out cute and nice. And I guess y'all will be seeing me in my next vlog having a great time outside. So if you're new here, you enjoyed this vlog and you have not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on these refreshing outdoor contents and self-reflection conversations, okay? And for my OGs, hey, thank you for being here and rocking with me always. You don't know your girl Alicia Amor. We're signing out now. Bye, Amor Nation. Love y'all. Oh, in the comments, let me know how I do. Rate the style. Rate it. Rate my hands. Let me know if I can go become my ear just and sing. You know what, girl, down with herself. Yeah, and that for sure. Don't make nothing stop you know in a life. Yeah, outside like I'm on the place. Alicia Amor.